Infor Time Track, Administrator Homepage, Function Summary Forms. The Function Summary Forms provide supervisors and administrators with overview information about the employee's hours they are authorized to view and process. The Hours Summary Form provides a high-level view of clocked employees in attendance and labor activity. This form provides supervisors and administrators at a glance visual cues that relate the employee's status. Information provided includes absence indication, present indication, clock-in rule violation, and work rule violation. This form can be used to prepare a single record or multiple records for processing at the same time. It can be used to create planned absences for a single or multiple employees and report dates with one keystroke, and can be used to process hours for a single or multiple employees and report dates with one keystroke. This form can also be used to hours process a single or multiple employees and report dates with one keystroke. This form links to hours detail for a more specific review of an employee's hours. Hours detail is a complement to the hours summary form. It can be used to edit hours for clocked employees, and it can perform all of the functions of the hours summary form, but only for one employee and report dates at a time. Elapsed type employees are employees that enter their data retrospectively, reporting the time spent on each activity as opposed to the start and end time of each activity. There are two types of elapsed times employees, those that process their hours daily and those that process their hours weekly. The elapsed daily form displays an overview of hours entered for daily elapsed time employees. The elapsed weekly form displays an overview of hours entered for weekly elapsed time employees. Both forms provide a display of hours for an entire work week. Both forms can be used to process hours for multiple employees at a time. Both forms provide a link to the elapsed detail form. The elapsed detail form is the point of entry for elapsed time labor records. It's also the primary point for editing elapsed time entries. This form provides icon links to most of the functional forms a user might need to navigate to, and can be used to process hours for one employee at a time. Machine time form. This displays machine transactions based on the selection criteria entered into the form. Timesheet summary and detail provide users with a breakdown of their hours. Employees can use this form to sign their hours. Supervisors and administrators can use this form to approve and process hours. ABS balances employs the Employee Absence Balances form. This form displays the balances of the absent codes in an employee's time-off group. The balances displayed include annual allowed, available, planned, taken, and requested. A historical record of absence-related transactions is presented. The transactions captured are creation of new tracking years, absence requests, approved absence requests, denied absence requests, taken absence hours, carry forward transactions, and accrual transactions. If the attendance point system is activated, transactions related to attendance will be recorded here as well. The absence calendar is a 12-month array of the site year. Supervisors and administrators may enter an employee number, and report dates where absences are planned will display a visual cue. The Reports button opens a submenu containing reports that come with the application. These include an absence report, hours summary, job booking report, and reports for clocked transactions, elapsed transactions, and payroll transaction logs. Additionally, there are utility reports that display the results of background task activity, utility that downloads direct jobs from the ERP, and a report that displays the local database of direct jobs. Finally, the Payroll Summary form. This form provides supervisors and administrators at a glance visual cues that relate the employee's payroll status. The form may be used to process and/or extract several payroll records at the same time. This form also provides links to the payroll detail that displays more specific information on payroll hours, one employee at a time.